Welcome to SilcoTek. Follow me.
Cameras rolling and action.
My name is Paul Silvis. I'm president and head coach of SilcoTek Corporation. SilcoTek takes our customers' parts and using game-changing technology provides a level of performance that could never be achieved without our coatings. SilcoTek became a company in 2009. We had a group of passionate individuals who believed in this technology. We had 14 individuals take a risk to start SilcoTek. There was no guarantee of success. Everybody knew that. It was very, very tough going in the early days from a facility standpoint, a resource standpoint, things like help with computers, etc. We were all doing everything in the company. Originally, when SilcoTek's technology was developed, we did tubing for chromatography. Then back in the late 80s, individuals making bomb detectors came to us and they said, well, if you can do a tube, can you make this complex part inert? And we scratched our head and we learned how to do CVD, chemical vapor deposition, in a reactor, where we could coat the entire outside of the part, the inside of the part, and really get a complete coating, which was a milestone, major milestone for the company. Recently, we've developed a no-tack coating, which is a very good hydrophobic coating as well. Originally, SilcoTek solved a lot of problems in the analytical world where they had absorption or trace levels of chemicals, from stack gas analysis to sulfur analysis to very, very active probes in the life science industry. Later, SilcoTek worked on problems like corrosion in the semiconductor industry. They use highly corrosive gases, and SilcoTek's technology prevents those highly corrosive gases from eating the chamber apart and contaminating the wafer itself. We've also been involved in hospital instrumentation and improving both the reliability and repeatability of all the tests that doctors are doing out there day after day after day. Finally, we've been involved in almost every space shot, whether it be to a distant planet, the moon, or the space shuttle itself. Our technology is up in space providing data for the scientists. The atmosphere at SilcoTek is one where we empower employees, we give them a lot of freedom, they innovate, they create, they feel comfortable offering different ideas and different opinions. The success of SilcoTek is really based on how our employees grow and develop in their careers. Our customer service separates SilcoTek from its competition. Our employees are passionate about making sure that we serve our customers. We coat every part perfectly, time after time, thousands of parts every day, and we ship it on time. We're very, very passionate about making sure that we do everything right for our customers. Zip code is our code of conduct. It stands for zero customer disappointments. Again, we're going to try to coat thousands and thousands of parts from different companies, different types of coatings, different specifications, day after day, perfectly, and deliver those on time for our customer. The I in zip code stands for integrity. We're very honest. If we make a mistake, we admit it. We never blame our customers. We own up to our mistakes. And the P stands for +1 customer service. We're going to jump through hoops to exceed your expectations and make you happy. We have the greatest people of any company I've ever been associated with. We have the smartest PhDs that are able to go into Penn State, into the millennium. They have a great relationship with Penn State. They can analyze customers' parts. They can help solve problems, develop processes, determine specifications. We've got a great team of engineers, both from the development of the process in the early fixturing, getting a customer's part through the production group, to the ovens, the technology, to the fail-safe modes that we put in. We've got a great customer service team, finance team, and a marketing and sales team that can't be beat. Are you ready for me to show you what we got? Now I'd like to show you how SilcoTek coats your parts. Welcome to our manufacturing facility.
SilcoTek's coating process is much different than typical spraying or dipping methods. Our innovative chemical vapor deposition, or CVD, process combines unique coating capabilities with game-changing surface properties to take products to the next level of performance. Let's see the whole process. Every part that we process is shipped to our coating facility by customers. SilcoTek does not stock or sell any already coated products. Customer shipments are received on our dock by technicians throughout the day and then moved into our receiving area. Packages in the receiving area are opened and parts are staged for inspection, documentation, and order confirmation. SilcoTek's receiving technicians are trained to thoroughly inspect incoming parts for damage, material compatibility, and discrepancies with the quoted order. Before any new parts are coated, the technicians analyze the composition of the substrate using X-ray fluorescence to ensure the material is compatible with our process. Once the parts are inspected and verified to be compatible and undamaged, technicians photograph the order for traceability purposes and verify part quantities per your purchase order. Finally, the technicians ensure that optimal process procedures for each part are documented and then issue a unique work order containing all processing steps for each part. The receiving process is now complete, and SilcoTek's customer service team sends an email notifying you that your parts are ready to begin the coating process. The next step in the coating process is surface preparation. Proper surface preparation is crucial to success with SilcoTek's CVD coatings, and every part requires its own unique approach. We prepare part surfaces with a combination of methods including caustic and acidic solution baths, ultrasonic agitation, DI water rinsing, solvent-based rinsing, and sometimes even third-party cleaning. The goal of surface preparation is to remove residual greases, fingerprints, and any other contaminants that can lead to poor appearance or, at worst, an out-of-spec coating. After surface preparation, your parts are moved to a pre-coating inspection stage where technicians ensure they're adequately cleaned and ready to move on to the next step in the process. Now, your parts are ready to be coated. Our technicians carefully arrange parts in a processing chamber, load the chamber into a high-temperature oven, and connect the chamber to the gas supply that eventually forms the coating in the chemical vapor deposition process. During SilcoTek's CVD coating process, proprietary gases flood the process chamber. After several hours at high temperatures, the gas reacts with the part's substrate to form a thin, conformal coating across all surfaces within the chamber. Even micron-sized openings are completely coated. Once your parts have successfully been coated and technicians verify that all coating process parameters were met, the parts are removed from their processing chamber and transferred to our quality control department. SilcoTek's quality technicians are specially trained to detect imperfections, primarily through visual inspection. The technicians visually appraise each part and use techniques to verify coating adhesion. After the parts have passed quality inspection, they're transferred to our packaging experts. SilcoTek knows that your parts trip back home can be long and bumpy, so we package it accordingly. Packaging technicians are equipped with a variety of high-quality packaging materials to ensure safe transit without added waste. SilcoTek will also reuse packaging from our customers if they specify this prior to shipping their parts for coating. After your parts are packaged, they are certified for quality, shipped back to you, and ready to perform better than ever before.